Hey guys, and welcome to this video on how to create a simple web page. So we're going to learn some HTML here. So I have a Sublime Text editor open, and you can actually do this in Notepad as well. And I've set the type to HTML in my Sublime Text just so I can have some syntax highlighting. Alright, so here we go. First thing you need to do is start off with our HTML tag, and then we need a end tag. So we have to end our HTML tag, and everything inside of our web page is going to be inside of these two tags. So we have our two tags right here. Now I'm going to create our head tag and end it as well. And I'm going to move it over just a little bit so we can see the structure of our HTML a little bit better. And within that head tag, I want to have the title tag. Okay, and we're going to end the title tag here. And this is basically the name that you'll see in a tab on the web browser. So I'm just going to call it a simple web page for now. And let's go ahead and save this. So save as, I'm going to call it simple web page. And save as type will be HTML. And I think I'll save it on my desktop here. Okay, and then click save. All right, and now let's see where it's at. It should be on my desktop here. So here it is, simple web page. I'm just going to right click it and click open with Firefox. Let me see, not now. Okay, so all it just says a simple web page at the top here on the tab. So nothing too spectacular. All right, and I'm going to keep it on the left-hand side as we continue to edit this document. And every time we save it, I'm going to refresh it over here to the left and see what it looks like. All right, so now let's start with our body tab. Body tag, not tab. And we're going to end the body tag. All right, inside of here, I'm going to create a header. So this is our header 1. And we're going to end the header 1. So the header will be a simple web page, exclamation point. And I'm just going to save this. And let's refresh our page here. And what we see is a simple web page here. So it's starting to look like a website or a web page at least. Let's go ahead and put like a little line under here. So I'm just going to do the HR tag. It doesn't need an end tag. I'm going to save it. And let's refresh. Okay, so now we have our simple web page end tag there. And let's zoom in just so you guys can see the code a little bit better. All right, so there we go. Next up, let's do maybe a smaller header. Let me show you guys a smaller header. So we have H6, and we're going to do H6. We're going to end it, and this right here is just a smaller header. And I'm going to save it. And now let's go back here and click refresh, and let's see what it looks like. So you can see it just has a smaller header there. Not too bad. Okay, so let's go back over to our code here. And all right, I'm going to create a paragraph. So we're going to use P for paragraph. That's our P tag. And I'm just going to put this is important information. To structuring a, oh, let me go ahead and go a little bit more. A web page. Okay. So next, maybe I put another one here. And I will say, hopefully this video helps. All right. And also within the body, maybe we want another header. So I'm just going to use a second header, or H2, and end it here. And then we're going to create what's called a ordered list. So ordered list of items. And we do that by using the OL tag. And of course, we have to end that tag as well. And within that tag, we're going to have our items list, or a list of items. So we're going to use li. And we have to end li. I'm just going to copy this a few times here and paste it. Okay. So this is our first item. Oops. All right. So this is our first item. This will be our second item. And this will be our third item. And then maybe we want a unordered list. So I'm going to also use the H2 tag here. I'm going to say unordered list. And then in our H2 tag, so the slash and the H2. And for an unordered list, we use UL. And we have to end it, of course. So we use the slash UL. All right, and within here, we need to basically put our list. So I'm just going to copy this list from up here. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, so let's save this. Let's go back over to our Firefox, our web page. Click refresh, and now we can see a simple web page. This is important information to structuring a web page. Hopefully this video helps. An ordered list. So we have our ordered list. You can see 1, 2, and 3. And then we have an unordered list. So we just have these dots here instead. So it's looking more like a standard web page. All right, so let's go back to our code. And let's input a link. So I'm going to say P. I'm going to say a link. Oh, here we go. For the link, click here. And I want to be able to basically, click this here and go to a link. So let me go ahead and save this for now. And let's refresh our Firefox. So we'll see right now, we can't really click the here. Right now it's just text. So let's go ahead and fix that. So for a link, we're going to use the a tag, and I can use a tag within another tag. So we're going to say a, and then of course we have to end our a tag. Okay. Now we have to tell it where to go, what to reference. So we're going to use href equals, and we'll go with http://www.yahoo.com. Okay. And I'm going to save this. Oh, Not right now. I'm not going to purchase a license, but let's go ahead and go back and refresh. Okay, and so we look down here. Now we can see for the link, click here. So we can easily click this link, and this will send us to yahoo.com. So let's go ahead and click it. And there we go. So now we're on yahoo.com, just like that. All right, I'm going to go back to our web page. And then maybe we want to do, well, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to put a little line at the end of our web page here. And let's refresh it over here. And so now we have our nice little line using HR. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a really, simple overview of how to create a web page. Maybe I should make this W a capital W. But other than that, it's basically how you make a web page. And then, of course, you just have to upload your web page to your host, and you have a website. So again, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave any questions you have, likes, comments. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to share it for others. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.